In the fast-paced world of technology, Nebius Group is quickly making waves. Trading on NASDAQ as NBIS, Nebius is at the core of the AI infrastructure boom. Think of it as the company building the picks and shovels for the digital gold rush. Nebius constructs and manages the powerful data centers and computing hardware that fuel today's AI revolution. As AI adoption explodes across industries, Nebius's services are in skyrocketing demand, positioning it for massive growth. What sets Nebius apart is its broad reach. It provides the backbone for nearly every AI-focused company, not just a single niche. This makes Nebius a potentially more stable, high-growth investment than many of its peers. As AI becomes as essential as electricity, Nebius's infrastructure is set to become indispensable. The company isn't just another tech startup, it's laying the foundation for the future of technology. By focusing on infrastructure, Nebius benefits from the entire AI sector's growth, no matter which applications win out. This strategic position has put Nebius on the radar of both individual investors and major financial institutions. For those seeking a stake in the AI revolution, Nebius Group is a name to watch. When billionaire investor Rob Citrone makes a move, Wall Street listens. Citrone, co-founder of Discovery Capital Management, has a reputation for spotting winners, especially in emerging markets. His fund recently delivered a stunning 48% return, growing to $1.5 billion in assets. Despite a cautious outlook on U.S. stocks, Citrone has singled out Nebius as a top pick, making it his fund's sixth largest holding. He sees Nebius's position in AI infrastructure as a rare opportunity for explosive growth, even in a volatile market. Citrone's endorsement is more than just a vote of confidence. It's a signal to other investors that Nebius is a foundational company with long-term potential. When a high-profile investor like Citrone backs a stock, it often triggers a wave of interest and adds credibility that goes beyond analyst reports. For Nebius, this backing helps solidify its reputation and draws attention to its growth prospects. Citrone's investment philosophy is all about finding companies poised for massive expansion, and Nebius fits the bill. His public support acts as a beacon for the market, highlighting Nebius as a company to watch. This kind of high-profile backing can create a powerful ripple effect, attracting more investors. For Nebius, having Citrone in its corner is invaluable. It's a powerful endorsement the market can't ignore. Nebius Group's financials are turning heads for good reason. In Q4 2024, the company reported a staggering 466% revenue increase year over year, a clear sign that demand for its AI infrastructure is surging. This explosive growth validates the confidence of investors like Rob Citrone and signals Nebius's effective strategy and perfect market timing. As industries from healthcare to finance race to adopt AI, Nebius is meeting the demand for robust data centers and computing power. The company's ability to deliver these critical resources is translating directly into remarkable financial results. Looking ahead, Nebius is targeting $1 billion in annual recurring revenue, a bold strategic goal rooted in ongoing expansion and sustained demand. Achieving this milestone would cement Nebius as a dominant force in the industry and likely boost its stock price. This clear roadmap gives investors a tangible target and shifts the narrative from recent success to long-term dominance. Nebius's forward-looking vision is a key reason the investment community is so captivated. The company's story is one of both explosive growth and ambitious, sustained momentum. To hit its ambitious revenue targets, Nebius is investing heavily in expanding its data center capacity. These state-of-the-art facilities are the factories of the AI era, powering data-hungry applications across industries. Nebius isn't just building more space, it's building smarter, equipping its centers with the latest GPUs, the engines of modern AI. By securing a large supply of cutting-edge GPUs, Nebius gains a major competitive edge, offering top-tier performance to clients. This dual focus, expanding physical space and upgrading technology, forms the core of Nebius's long-term growth strategy. It allows the company to serve more clients and deliver faster, higher-quality services. Nebius's relentless pursuit of innovation positions it as the go-to provider for AI infrastructure. This approach is about future-proofing the business in a rapidly evolving industry. Heavy investment in both infrastructure and technology signals Nebius's intent to lead, not follow. For investors, it's a sign of a company building a resilient, adaptable foundation for years to come. The secret to Nebius's success lies in its cutting-edge GPUs. Originally designed for gaming, GPUs now power the AI revolution, handling the massive calculations needed for advanced models. Nebius's strategy centers on acquiring the most advanced GPUs, giving it a critical edge in a market where supply is tight. This robust inventory lets Nebius offer clients the best tools to build powerful AI models and stay ahead of their competition. High-performance computing is a premium service, and Nebius's commitment to top-tier hardware attracts high-value clients. Constantly upgrading its technology, Nebius shows a long-term commitment to leadership in AI infrastructure. This proactive approach ensures Nebius isn't just participating in the AI boom, it's enabling the next wave of innovation. Staying at the forefront of GPU technology is essential for sustaining growth and market dominance. Nebius's focus on quality and innovation cements its reputation as a leader in the high-end AI infrastructure market. Wall Street analysts currently rate Nebius Group as a moderate buy. This reflects both the company's impressive growth potential and the risks of operating in a fiercely competitive, fast-evolving industry. For investors, this rating is a solid starting point, but it's not the whole story. While Nebius stands out in AI infrastructure, other companies in software or chip design may also offer strong returns. What sets Nebius apart is its backing by influential investors like Rob Citrone, whose endorsement often carries more weight than analyst consensus. This high-profile support solidifies Nebius's reputation as a top-tier player in the AI market. Investors see a mixed but promising picture: analyst caution balanced by smart money conviction. Nebius's strong financials, strategic position, and major investor backing make it a standout in the sector. It's a compelling story that blends data-driven analysis with high-conviction bets from market leaders. For individual investors, tracking hedge fund moves can be a powerful strategy. Funds like Rob Citrone's Discovery Capital have teams of analysts and deep resources, uncovering opportunities most individuals might miss. Nebius is a prime example. Discovery Capital's investment signals rigorous research and high conviction. By following these filings, smaller investors can leverage the expertise of seasoned professionals. When a top fund makes a company a major holding, it's a strong validation of that company's prospects. However, it's important not to blindly copy every move. Use hedge fund holdings as a starting point for your own research. Even the best investors make mistakes, and their goals may differ from yours. Discovery. Capital's stake in Nebius is a great reason to dig deeper, but always ensure it fits your financial goals. Smart investors use this strategy to narrow the field, but never skip their own due diligence. In investing, the quality of your information is everything. Reliable data comes from trusted sources, platforms like TradingView, aggregate information from providers like ICE Data Services, and FactSet. These sources add transparency and credibility, ensuring you're working with accurate, up-to-date figures. Disclaimers and copyright notices aren't just legalese. They protect the integrity of the data and the work behind it. Using legitimate sources is essential for sound financial decisions. Just as you'd trust a reputable news outlet over a random social post, you should trust financial data from established providers. ICE and FactSet have built their reputations on delivering high-quality information to the industry. When a platform discloses its sources, it's showing its credentials and building your confidence. Understanding where your data comes from empowers you to make better investment choices. In a complex market, access to reliable data is a fundamental requirement for success. Researching companies like Nebius Group online isn't always smooth sailing. Sometimes you'll hit a roadblock, a web page won't load, or access is denied. Don't get discouraged. Often a simple refresh or waiting a few minutes solves the problem. If the issue persists, look for a reference number in the error message. This can help support teams quickly resolve the issue. Persistence and problem solving are key skills for any investor. Technical glitches are normal, but knowing how to troubleshoot keeps your research on track. If a link stays broken, report it with the reference number for faster help. Don't let minor setbacks stop your search for information. The ability to navigate these challenges is part of being a successful, resilient investor. Stay persistent and you'll uncover the insights you need. So is Nebius Group the next big thing in AI? It's not just another tech company, it's building the backbone of the AI revolution. Nebius's strategic position, explosive financial growth, and backing from Rob Citrone make it a standout. The company's aggressive expansion and focus on cutting-edge GPUs show a clear plan for continued dominance. Of course, every investment carries risks, and competition in AI is fierce. Analyst ratings suggest cautious optimism, but Nebius's story is undeniably compelling. The key is to combine expert opinions, solid data, and your own research before making a move. Whether Nebius becomes a hidden gem or just part of the AI hype remains to be seen. One thing's certain, it's one of the most interesting companies in tech today. Stay tuned for more deep dives and insights on the companies shaping our digital future. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next video.